In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Squarespace website in just a few minutes. Don't worry, I'll guide you through every step so it's super easy, even if you're new to Squarespace. First, let's start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and click the Login button. You'll see a few options for logging in. For the fastest and most seamless experience, I recommend Continue with Google. This lets you log in using your Google account in just a couple of clicks. Make sure it's the Google account connected to your Squarespace site. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard listing all your websites. Click on the website you want to publish. This takes you to your site's overview page, which is a central hub for managing every aspect of your website. Now it's time to go into edit mode. Click the edit button and you'll enter the website editor. Here you can make all the updates or changes you want. Maybe you need to tweak your homepage, update some images, or adjust text that's outdated. Take your time to make sure your content looks exactly how you want your audience to see it. One of the great things about Squarespace is that you can see your changes in real time. As you edit, the preview updates instantly, so you'll know exactly how your site will look before anything goes live. Once you're happy with your updates, the final step is to save your work. Click the Save button. This action does two things. It saves your changes and publishes them to your live site. It's a small step, but a crucial one. Without saving, your updates won't appear to your visitors. And that's it. By clicking Save, you've officially published your Squarespace website. Take a moment to preview your site in its updated form and admire your work. Remember, you can make changes anytime by repeating these steps. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you feel confident managing your Squarespace website. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Happy editing!